Hey guys, so good evening. Right now it's about 10, no, it's 10:30 here time. It means it's only 9:30 home time. Today I got around to painting my toenails and the last couple of my nails. Those are Kinder Joy eggs. They're really nice. Guys, I can't tell, I'm half hot and half cold, like my legs are cold because it's today we had some thunder and lightning. It's been raining today, so it's not been that good. It's been thunder and lightning, and it was not that good because it was like that. So yeah, it's just funny brush my teeth and like get ready for bed because now that my auntie and my cousin's here, we're going in separate rooms. I'm going into my cousin's bed, I think. I'm sleeping in the same bed as my cousin, and my mum and auntie will just sleep in this room, I think. So yeah. And guys, the funniest thing happened is today I went down to check the mailbox and we got stuck in the apartment. Like, all of us got stuck, the door locked from the outside of it. The door locked from the outside of it, which was odd, and we couldn't get out. And we were inside, but we think someone walked past and locked it by accident, but don't know, we got locked on. And it was like when I was about to go down to check the mailbox. So let me go down, let me just get the question of the day ready. Alright, the question of the day that I thought of, actually was one asked last night. And the question of the day is, what is your favourite kind of crisps? Like, what kind of milk is it? Mine have got to be those hula hoops and mini cheddars, and I don't have four favourite. Mini cheddars, Pringles, Discos, and those no French fries, and those waltzers, I think they're called. What's it? Yeah, what's it? So bye guys, don't forget to comment down below because I want to know. The question of the day is, what is your favourite flavour? What is your favourite type of crisps? Bye guys, see you tomorrow.